Hello there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here today, and welcome. So today, I'm going to talk about the I am and how it is powerful when understood, that it is the key phrase to manifest, to create, okay? Number one, okay, is this quote that I want to share with you from the book The Hidden Power by Thomas Troward. Let me double check the title because I may have it wrong. Yeah, I'm correct. The Hidden Power. Okay, now, in regards to I am, all right, he writes, quote, "Because I am what I am, I may be what I will to be." I'm going to say that one more time. Because I am what I am, I may be what I will to be. Because I am alive, I may be what I will. Okay. You could add intelligently alive, right? Because I am what I am to because I am an intelligent being, right? Because with intelligence, you have the will. With the will, you can hold on to, focus, persist, okay? Now, I'm gonna go on to the second line. Okay, quote, My individuality is one of the modes in which the infinite expresses itself, and therefore I am myself that very power which I find to be the innermost within of all things. Okay? What's the innermost thing of all things? Energy, okay? And we can translate energy to spirit, okay? And spirit, that's the universal power, right? The universal mind, okay? God, okay? Now, when you understand that because you're an expression of God, God is also within you, okay? That's why all form is spirit. God is in everything. All form is life. All things that we see are reflections of life, okay? Or reflections of spirit, okay? They're reflections of spirit, okay? That's really deep right there. It's very, very deep. And once you understand this and you really study it, then you experience things in your life, right, that manifest, and then you have understanding, okay? So learn this material, okay? And my purpose is to teach you this because it wasn't taught to me in a way where I can articulate it, where I can explain it. I think we all have this idea that there's a higher power out there. When we see the sun, the sunset, the forest, the mountains, we're like, and we're like, wow, something powerful, something greater than I created this, right? Something intuitive. We can't even explain it. Because once we start explaining it, it starts getting all messed up, okay? That's why we really can't explain God in a way that really gives it its true essence, because we begin to identify and categorize it, right? It is everything, basically. That's one of the best ways to say it. It is everything, it's in everything, okay? And it's in us. And here's the second thing I want to talk about. The second thing is that because we can take action and we feel, so can the universe, okay? So can spirit. Now, there must be thought before action. There must be thought before feeling, all right? There has to be understanding, right, of which way to go. There must be some kind of intellectual understanding and emotional understanding, right? to feel good. We know what's good, right? We don't need to say, oh, that's bad, or is that good or bad? No, we know because it makes us feel good. We know what's bad because it makes us feel really bad. Okay. This is what uncovered. This is how I uncovered some things that make me feel good. Sometimes I don't do them, right? Like maybe hug a friend. I kind of don't do that, where times I feel like I should, because it's just what makes me feel good. Okay, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna make the other person feel good, right? You can tell, you can intuitively tell if you want to give somebody a hug, and they're like yes, or they're like okay, kind of like don't want to give you a hug, right? So use your intuition as well. Intuition is very powerful, very, very powerful. Okay, so that type of feeling, okay, that feeling is what you need to manifest. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to number 3. All right, so a little review on number 2. Spirit takes action and feels. It's sensitive, okay, to feeling. All right, and we have that as well. Okay, we have that as well. Now, to use this knowledge, okay, and understand, okay, we have to feel our goal and think and feel from that perspective. Okay, think and feel like that person now. Okay, because when you close your eyes and you visualize yourself having that thing, being or doing that thing that you want, you don't want it anymore. You have it, and it's in the spiritual, it's in the non-physical, it's in the energy realm. Okay, and guess what? All form, I always have this, all form is a reflection, okay, of that energy, okay, of spirit. It's the polar opposite of spirit, form. Still the same thing, it's energy, but it's just solidified. Okay, what we're doing is using our will, our mental capacity to hold that image, whatever it may be, and solidify it. Okay, but we have to be focused on it, we have to persist on it, we have to make sure that it's good. It's a good thing, it makes us feel good, and it's good for, it shouldn't harm others, and it will be given to us. Okay, it will be provided to us. Because why? Like I mentioned in the second part, the second point, God takes action. So you're thinking of something good, God's gonna take action towards you, gonna react towards you, and you feel that way. The key here is feeling. Okay, the major key is the feeling. Okay, so it's sensitive. So it starts, once you start feeling it, spirit is gonna start acting towards it, right? Because spirit is feeling. It needs to feel something. Okay, it's not just intellectual. It's actually more. It's feeling. Okay, it's feeling. And so when you start feeling a certain way, guess what? The universe starts acting, starts taking action towards you. And guess what? It's not a feeling that you have. It's a feeling that reverberates throughout the universe. Okay, throughout infinity. Okay, because God is infinitely more sensitive than you are. Okay, so once you use God on your side, and you're not just focused on the outside world, you have so much power. You have so much power. So much power. Imagine that, having God, the power of the universe, on your side. And you do. You really do. You just have to know how to do it and then apply it. And then as you start manifesting certain things, it'll come. You know, right? More things will come. Okay? As you start manifesting things, more and more things will come, and you'll just live from this way. Okay? Yeah. I guess this is it for today. I just want to share that. I wanted to share this. I want to talk about the I am, how everything is spirit. Okay? And formulating a vision, an image in your mind, you know, when you close your eyes, that causes you to feel. Okay? And then your affirmation is going to be the I am X. Right? I'm going to go back to the square of life. Life, love, wealth, health, and perfect self-expression. Okay? If you want to have love, you have to see yourself in a relationship. Okay? See yourself. What would you see in the end? All right? Not the dating process. What would you see in the end? Right? How would you see yourself? You would see your closet full with your partner's clothing, right? If you want your partner to live with you, you'll see your closet full, right? You'll have 2 garage spaces if you have a home, right? You'll have breakfast together, right? You may even hug her while she's cooking, or Vice versa, you know, she may hug you from the back if you're cooking, or he, you know what I mean, okay? All based on what you're seeing, okay? And if you want money, you have to see yourself. You have to see your wallet full of money, okay? See your bank account with money, okay? And what are you doing? Like, are you donating to people? Are you driving a certain car? Are you living in a certain place? That's the end. That's how the end would look, okay? The how, we don't even know the how. We can't even imagine it, so don't. Only when we reflect back, you're gonna see that, okay? Health, all right? How does your body look? Do you have a six-pack? Do you have muscles? Are your quads bigger? And you know, how do they feel in your body, right? Don't see yourself working out. You're okay, yes, you can see yourself working out, yes. But the body image, you have to see the image of the body, okay? Just focus on the end. See somebody congratulating you, like, oh wow, you have some nice muscles. No, oh wow, like somebody complimenting you, you look good. And it's gonna happen, okay? In time, you're gonna gain the knowledge and experience. The people are gonna come, resources are gonna come, okay? And you'll get there. All right, perfect self-expression. All right, you want to be more confident. You want to be more loving. See yourself more loving, right? I want to be more loving. So when I was reading this material, I saw myself being more loving because that's something I want to do more of. Okay, more of. So that's something that you can do, right? Create a quality in yourself. See yourself with a certain quality. Okay, perfect self-expression. Okay, and you'll get what you want. Like, as a man thinketh, so is he, right? As a woman, as a person thinketh, so are they. All right, but you need to see it and feel it, okay? And have an affirmation with I am, right? You can use I am grateful. I am so happy and grateful, right? I am so grateful. It has that gratitude in there, the powerful, positive energy. And it affirms that you already have it. It's not I used to have it, I'm going to have it, I will have it. Is I am, okay? I am this type of person, right? And when you close your eyes, you visualize that vision. You visualize that goal as already done, right? Somebody's congratulating you. You're already living that life. Okay, you already have that trophy on the wall. Okay, that person's already living with you. Okay, remember, never give up. Okay, winners never quit. Quitters never win. Okay, quitters never win. So you must persist in that. Okay, it may happen tomorrow, or it may happen today. Okay, it may happen in a few years. We don't know the gestation period, the incubation period. Everything grows like a seed, boop, right? Or slowly grows, or it might just come out, right? Weeds gotta grow pretty fast. But like carrots, you don't even see them. You know, you gotta pull them out there a while. So be persistent, and it'll happen for you. Okay, and you gotta be reasonable too, right? If you want to manifest a degree is usually 4 years typically. You may manifest it in 2 if you work a little faster and find ways in which you can work a little faster and get things done a little faster. You can do it like that. But you also gotta look at that, right? If you're trying to get pregnant, you're not gonna get pregnant and have birth in a month. It's gonna take the 9 months, right? So you gotta kind of take into consideration those time periods that may be required for your goal. Okay, so I hope you like this one, and thank you so much for being here. If you want more resources, the books that I've written down below, you can find them in the description box, and a program that really was an introductory program for me, Bob Proctor's I think 6 Minute to Success program. I think that's what it's called. That helped me out a lot as well. So go check those out, and it'll be some of the first doors that you're going through because they're very explanatory. Okay, best thing to do is take action and experience the greatness of life. All right. Thank you.